Through the support of our Governor and Sangguniang Panlalawigan, we were able to accredit our Dr. Cordelio T. Martinez Senior Memorial Hospital as Level 1 hospital that is with operative services. And we are looking forward to 2 more provincial hospitals to be accredited this year. Through the generosity of our executive and technical assistance of our legislative body, we are looking forward also to the operationalization of our provincial hospital that is in Capitol, even as birthing home and outpatient services.
Nagapasalamat ako ug dako nga doon na ako'y tiil karon nga artificial sa akong kaugalingon nga unta di na ko maglisod sa akong paglihok-lihok.
Salamat kayong dako ninyo kay nakatabang mo sa ubay-ubay nga mga PWDs. Dili lang din saglan, dili hantod sa tinatibok ang saranggan.
Nagpasalamat kami sa mga nagdumala aning surgical medical mission, kang Steve Solon, kang Manny Pacquiao, ug sa iyang asawa nga si Jinky Pacquiao.
Thank you for the hearing aid that we received from Star Key.